Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I make $11 profit with Binance Futures. As you can see here, this is the history from Binance Futures. I'm going to show you how I make $11, okay, even though the market go against me. So if you see here, a 5.6 here, okay, $5.6 plus 3.3 plus 1.19 plus $1 there, it's around $11. Okay, so by the way, I'm using a bot. I already mentioned it in my YouTube channel. If you go to my playlist and if you click on crypto futures, I have an in-depth playlist showing you how to use the bot trading Binance Futures. Okay, so let me show you here. So if you see at the bottom, it says the bot open at 1073. If you look at the chart here, 1073, it's around here. Okay, in fact, I actually started around here, guys. If you see, around this level, I opened short positions because the overall market is bearish. So I only open short positions, guys. You can see it is near the overbought area and I expect the market to go down. But it is a false signal, okay? As you can see, the market actually keep going up. Traditionally, if you are doing a normal, take profit like 1:2 ratio, you are going to get stopped out, right? If let's say if you open a short position, let's say you open short position here and you set your stop loss probably here, you already get stopped out, right? You lose money, okay? That's the point, you lose money. So how do I even still make money, guys, using the bot? The market go against me, right? I open entry price at $1073. The market goes up. It keep go up, right? So it go up to 1087. What the bot do? The bot do averaging, okay? The bot buy again at this price. It buy again. So the market keep going up. 1102, as you can see on my phone, 1102, it goes up again. So the bot buy again. Okay, it add more position. And then it goes up again to 112022. Okay, 112022. I buy again. Okay, but I don't do it manually, guys. I use the bot. I just go to sleep. And then it go up again to 1192. As you can see, the market keep going up. Who would have thought, right? The inflation rate is already 9.1%. The market still goes up. So you can see sometimes the market keep, freaking with you, playing with you. But it's okay. As long as you have enough capital, the bot will keep buying and buying and buying. So your average price is no longer here. Okay, your average price, my entry price, no longer 1073. Okay, it will keep averaging. If you look at here, it keep averaging, right? Even up to 1220. If you look at the price here, 1220. Okay, somewhere around here, it will do averaging again. And then at the top, it will do averaging at 1250. Okay, 1250 here, it do averaging again. So you can see how many averaging? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Already 6 averaging. And what's your average price, guys? So your entry price, okay, your entry price is no longer here. Your entry price is no longer here. It becomes somewhere around here. Did you see the power? From entry price here, now become here. So when the market goes down a little bit, as you can see, I take profit at 1211. So 1211, somewhere around here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Somewhere around here, guys. Somewhere around here, I already take the profit. Okay, this is the break-even point at the top. So this one at the bottom is the take profit. Okay, the market don't even need to go down to my first entry price at 10. How much was it? 1073. Okay, so do you see the power of averaging? Even though, okay, we do wrong analysis. Even though if we messed up with our technical analysis, the averaging still save our lives. But there is a caveat of this, guys. You need strong capital. Okay, you need strong capital in order for you to do averaging. If you don't have enough money, you cannot do averaging. Okay, you cannot do averaging, and you have to give up and get liquidated. So if you have enough capital, you can play with, just a little bit of coins and then use your backup funds to do the averaging. Okay, I have a full video already. I have a lot of video. In fact, I have 39 videos. You can watch it, everything in here. I explain about averaging, everything you need to know. Again, capital is king. Cash is king. Okay, don't. My strategy was that I don't put a lot of money initially, unless the market go against me, and then I use my backup funds to to save it. Okay, to save this trade. So for those of you who are veteran, you probably know already what I'm talking about. If you don't know, you can watch my other video here, and you can see this is the proof of it. Okay, and you can compare it with a Binance. As you can see here, the history, the order history, the trade history, everything is matching up. And again, guys, I only open short position. It's quite dangerous to open long position. You know why? Because the market might just drop like crazy. And especially, okay, I already mentioned to you the overbought area here. I'm just gonna wait. I will close the trade when the market is around here. And then I will wait the market to go up again, and then we'll open a short position again. Okay, that's the strategy for this bearish market, and for you to avoid big liquidation. Okay, even though if you already at the overbought area, you open short, but the market still going up, you can use the bot to do averaging. Again, with the condition, you need to have enough capital. Okay, maybe per coin you can have like $500 to $1,000, because really depends, guys. Maybe $300 is enough per coin. If if this is not high enough, sometimes and also, guys, one condition also, if you are playing with altcoins, some altcoins are very risky. Let's say if the market goes like this, okay, you will have huge floating loss. If the chart should something like this, okay, but again, especially if the trading volume is low, the price can be manipulated a lot. But with this thing, it's a little bit safer, because Ethereum, Bitcoin have big volume, so it is less likely to get manipulated. Even though they get manipulated, they need a lot of money to manipulate the market, compared to altcoin. If you go to coin market cap, right, if you look at altcoins, some of them have very low market cap, like maybe Quantum or something. The trading volume is not as much. You can see only a 47 million trading volume. Okay, 47 million. If you compare to like Ethereum, 16 billion. Okay, did you see the big difference there? So even people want to manipulate the price, it's gonna be a little bit harder. Okay, so hopefully this video kind of explain to you, even though we messed up right here, okay, we can still do averaging and then take profit at the top. Again, guys, if you can watch this other video, how to sign up with AntBot, everything, how to start the bot. I'll put a playlist link down below, and you can go watch them.